Act to proclaim the month of July as Tibetan Heritage Month.
Kasa chilo nido nishu chindu kube tse nishu shila Canada gasa Ottawa yuse ngadi chete Ontario tozo su timso jigla tozo yongi jimyo ki tembe nangbani pyo ki lana mebe uti jino konskam kunchin bucho ki tungla yasu ki dawa chinda dumba yongzo Ontario ru pyumi rishun pegyu dawa suyo nansong. Tenya mimbo saya jonga zam chebe Canada ngadi chenpo Ontario tongge Toronto tongde Parkdale ne ngadi tozo su tozo tumi pyuri karpuche puti choki Loda 진다 둔바 ngati teru pyumi thang pyumi rishun pegyu dawa sogyo timcha te tozo so tangbatang. Kasa Ontario tozo yonggi jimyo ki gyabgyo nangdi 진다 둔바 yongzo pebe rishun ki dawar tembe naso.
On behalf of the Tibetan people around the world, including those in Tibet, I want to say to the people of Ontario, thank you.
Pedarne Canada lebe pyumi namgi Canada gegubla sishu burdu döngü thang lakwardo pyoge korlo kododang pyodun begur miku shikrido.